Welcome back to Decode Coding. So today we'll be doing one question on the question is like that. If I will write the question here, let me give the question. The question is saying that define a function that returns the maximum of two numbers, right? So if you have two numbers, how you find the maximum? So obviously, if you will see normally what you are saying, num1, let's say, is equal to 90, and num2 is equal to 56. Okay, then you are saying something like this: if num1 is greater than num2, then I will say here print num1 is greater, num1 is greater, right? Else I will say num2, else I will say print num2, right? Everyone knows that how to find the greater of two numbers, right? But now when you have to use the function, that means everything that you are doing this normally like this coding. So now what you have to do is everything you will be writing as a function. Getting this point? Everything you have to write as a function now. So what I will be doing is I will be commenting this thing. Now everyone knows this will work. Okay, so to write a function of it, so what I will say here, I will say def. As you know, to declare a function you have to say the def, and I will say maxi here, and here I will say here let's say it is taking two parameters. One is num1. It's not necessary to keep the same name, so I will say here a comma b, right? And here we have to find the maximum. So what I will say, if a is greater than b, and I will say here print. Yep, it is saying return, so I will say here return. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know what is the parameter and what is the return function. And return I will say here a, and similarly else here I will say return b. Getting this point? Everyone knows this thing. And let's say here now you know to execute this function. So we have defined here function. This is the definition of defining the function. But if you want to execute this function, you want to run this function, you want to execute it, actually run, it will happen. So what you have to do is you have to call this function. So I will say here maxi, right? And here, you know, if you are having here parameters, then you have to pass here arguments, otherwise it will throw an error. So if I run it program, now it is saying that maxi missing two required positional argument is a and b. That means here you are saying that whenever you will be calling the maxi, so at that time you have to give me the two arguments, because here you are having the two parameters. So I'll be passing here two arguments. Let's say first I am saying 23, and second I am saying 67, right? Now if I will run it, one more problem will happen here. You will not get any kind of output here, as I told you in the last class as well. The functionality of the return function. Return is returning a value of a to a position from where you are calling it. आप कहाँ से कॉल कर रहे हो? लाइन नंबर 15 से, मीन्स लाइन नंबर 12 से रिटर्न फंक्शन आपका a थ्रो कर रहा है. कहाँ पे थ्रो कर रहा है? लाइन नंबर 15 पे. लाइन नंबर 15 पे तो a का वैल्यू आ गया, बट ना तो आप इस वैल्यू को कैच कर रहे हो, ना तो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली प्रिंट कर रहे हो. आई विल से हियर सिंपली, इफ यू वांट हियर यू कैन से हियर val, या आई विल से हियर max val, max underscore val is equal to this thing. So what is happening here? So this function is defined here, then line number 15 is being executed. That means max value equal to, when it's saying maxi, and by this maxi it understands that okay, this is the function call, right? So it is calling this function and resolving this function. After that it is returning something from here. Once is returning, it will return the position जहाँ से आप कॉल कर रहे हो. यहाँ से आप कॉल कर रहे हो मीन्स कि यहाँ से कुछ वैल्यू या वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, एंड वो वैल्यू आप कहाँ पे स्टोर कर रहे हो? मैक्स वैल्यू में, राइट? सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट आई विल से हियर, आई विल से प्रिंट, and here I will say max underscore val, right? So now if I will run this program, and you are getting here 67. Now if you want to understand how this 67 is happening, so what is happening here? This is defining function, this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done, right? After that max val is equal to maxi 23,67, means you are calling this max function. Max function को हमने कॉल किया, 23 has been assigned to a, 67 has been assigned to b, right? यहाँ पे आ गए, आप यहाँ पे चेक कर रहे हो, if a यानी कि 23 is greater than 67, no, condition false, you will go to the else part. Else part में you are saying return b. What is the value of b? 67. यहाँ से आप रिटर्न क्या कर रहे हो? b को रिटर्न कर रहे हो. कहाँ पे? जहाँ से आप कॉल कर रहे हो, यहाँ से मैं इसको कॉल कर रहा हूँ. दैट मीन्स इस मैक्सी होल जगह क्या आ रहा है अब? यहाँ पे और ऑल दिस जगह यहाँ पे यू आर गेटिंग 67, राइट. नाउ दिस 67 यू आर स्टोरिंग इन द मैक्स वैल्यू एंड यहाँ पे आप क्या कर रहे हो, प्रिंट मैक्स वैल्यू, राइट. सो इफ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हियर, जब आप ये कर रहे हो ना, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस, यू आर ऑलरेडी यूज्ड इट, यू हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड इट. कैसे आपने यूज किया है, व्हेन यू आर सेइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस, प्रिंट मैक्स ऑफ 23,67, राइट. ये आपने यूज किया होगा, या मिन ऑफ 23,67. अगर मैं इसको यहाँ पे रन कर रहा हूँ, स्टिल यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट हियर, 67, राइट. यहाँ इफ आई विल टेक सम अदर वैल्यू, लेट्स से 1 2 3, so that we can differentiate between the two values. Let me run it, right. So यहाँ पे 67 आ रहा है because of this function and 123 because of this function. Means here in every programming language you are having a two types of functions. You are having a two types of function. First type of function is called the inbuilt function. First type of function is called the inbuilt function. Second type of function is called the user definer function. User definer function. Inbuilt function कौन से function होंगे? Those which are coming along with Python installment. Python installment. उनको आप क्या बोलोगे? Inbuilt function. Like you are having max, min. You are having print. Print is also one of the function, right? And return is also another function. Yeah, others, those you are having, these are called the inbuilt function. And user defined function is that you are defined. Like हमने यहाँ पे maxi define किया. ये maxi आपको इसका function, ये हमारा function है जो हमने बोला, और ये maxi क्या कर रहा है, ये भी find कर रहा है max, and जो ये max है inbuilt function, ये भी find क्या कर रहा है max. Maybe इस max के पीछे same code लिखा होगा. The same code will be written behind this max as well. Getting this point? Now if you have to find the maximum of 3 elements, let's take an example. If I have to find the maximum of 3 elements, तो मैं क्या कर लूँगा, let me review this thing. I guess you understood this thing here. I will say here maxi underscore 2. This will find me the maximum of 2 elements. And let's say here I am creating one more function. I am saying define maxi underscore 3, THREE3. And let's say this is taking how many values? Let's say 3 values. It is taking A, comma, B, comma, C, right? 3 values here. Let's take, we will give some other values. I'll say N1, comma, N2, comma, N3, right? 3 values ले लिए मैंने यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूँगा? C, maximum of 2 elements will be given by this guy. Getting this point? And maximum of 3 elements we will find here. Let's see how we can find it. Say I will say something like this. Okay, I can do it like this. So let me think. I will do something like this. I will say N4. I will say new value. Yeah, I will say here out of 2. Out underscore of 2. First I will find the maximum out of 2 values and this will be given by, let's say I am giving here 2 values. So यहाँ पे क्या मैं करना चाहता हूँ, मैं ना N2 और N3 में पहले मैक्सिमम ढूंढना चाहता हूँ. जो इन दोनों में मैक्सिमम होगा उसको मैं N1 से कंपेयर करूँगा. सो मैं यहाँ पे क्या करूँगा, आउट ऑफ 2 here I will call this maxi. I will call here maxi maxi underscore 2. And यहाँ पे we know this maxi is taking how many values? 2 values, A and B. Let's say जो मुझे user value देगा वो N2 में store हुआ है और N3 में. I will give this N2 and N3. N2 comma N3 here. Right? 2 values मैंने पास कर लिए N2 and N3. N1 के साथ अभी मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. Right? जो N2 और N3 में से maximum आएगा वो कहाँ पे लिखा मैंने? Out of 2 में. Right? एंड अब मैं इस आउट ऑफ 2 वैसे जैसे ये कॉल हो जाएगा यहाँ से आपको N2 और N3 में कोई भी मैक्सिमम आपको रिटर्न कर देगा. राइट? वो रिटर्न आप किस में रह रहे हो? आउट ऑफ 2 में. एंड यहाँ पे फिर मैं क्या करूँगा, आई विल कंपेयर नाउ. आई विल से आउटपुट या आई विल से मैक्सिमम वैल मैक्स अंडरस्कोर वैल इज इक्वल टू, अगेन आई विल कॉल द मैक्सी अंडरस्कोर 2 हियर, मैक्सी 2. एंड नाउ वी आर हैविंग N1 हियर. N1 को मैं कंपेयर करूँगा, जो भी इन दोनों में से मैक्सिमम हुआ वो किसमें मैंने स्टोर किया? आउट ऑफ 2. एंड यहाँ पे आई विल पास आउट ऑफ 2, राइट? एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल रिटर्न हियर मैक्स अंडरस्कोर वैल्यू. राइट? आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. इफ नॉट आई विल ट्राई रन इट, डोंट वरी. ओके, दिस इज इट. Now what I will be calling here, I will be calling here max of 3. I will say here print, I will say here max value, generally I will say print max underscore 3, and here I will pass the 3 values. Let's say I'm saying 23, 13, 45, right? Now if I will run this program, the maximum value is here 45, right? Now how this code is running, let me give you the overall think of this. Okay guys, understand here. So what is happening here? Now I will try to run this program. Please try to understand. So here what I am doing is, initially this is the definition, this is also the definition. Here this line will be executed, because here you are saying print. You know that this maxi2 will not execute unless and until you will not call this function. It's like that your phone number is stored in my directory, right? If I have to contact you, I have to dial your number. Same story is here. This function is present inside my code, this function is present inside my code. These two codes will not run unless and until I will not call them, right? So here I am saying print, this will execute, and here you are saying max 3, 23, 13, 45. That means here you are calling what? Max of 3, you are calling this function you are calling here. So what will happen here? I am saying 23, that means n1 is equal to 23, n2 is equal to 13, n3 is equal to 45. Till here this is the story, right? So from here now you are calling this function will be executed, and here you are saying out of 2, here you are saying out of 2 is equal to, and here you are passing what? Maxi of 2. That means you are calling this function now. So from here you are calling this function, and you are passing here n2 value and n3 value, and you are storing it in a. That means here a is equal to n2, because n2 you are passing, it will be stored in a, that means 13, comma b you are also passing here, that is 45, that's n3, 45, right? Now you are coming here, if a is greater than b, is 13 greater than 45? No, condition false. You will go to the else part, and in else part what you are saying? Return b. What is the b value? 45. This 45 will be returned to the position from where you are calling it. That means this 45 will come here. Here this 45 will come, and this 45 will be storing here out of 2. Getting this point? Now here you are saying max value. यहाँ तक story खत्म हो गई. This line is being executed. Now you will execute this line, and here you are saying max underscore value, and again you are calling here maxi of 2. Maxi of 2 is this function, and here you are passing n1. What is your n1 value? That's 23. This 23 will be stored in a. That means this a is now getting what value? 23, comma b. B is getting value what? Out of 2. What is the out of 2 value? 45. That means b is having what? 45. Now again you will come back here. Here you are checking if a is greater than b. That means 23 is greater than 45. Condition false. You will go to the else part, and in else part you are saying return b. What is your return b value? 45, and 45 you are storing here, right? Now what you are saying? Return 45. Now this line will be executed. This return function में return max value कहाँ पे return करेगा? जहाँ से आपने कॉल किया. आपने कहाँ से कॉल किया था? यहाँ से आपने कॉल किया था. That means इस जगह अब क्या आ जाएगा? 45. And then आप क्या बोल रहे हो? Print करो किसको? 45 को, and you are getting the 45 on the output screen. Getting this point? I hope you understood this question. Now if you will pass something, I guess again it's like same thing, like you are doing like this. Now when you are writing your inbuilt function, you are saying max of print max of, as I told you, 3, 5. So it is giving the maximum value. यहाँ पे same you are having, but this function now you are defining function, this function is your defined function, right? So I hope you understood this question, and we will come up with the more questions like this again.